This Shark Steam Pocket Mop Hard Floor Cleaner is a standout in the world of home cleaning appliances, designed to make floor maintenance more efficient and less of a chore. With its sleek design, powerful steam capabilities, and user-friendly features, this steam mop promises to elevate your cleaning routine. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the key attributes, performance, and overall value of the Shark Steam Pocket Mop, providing a detailed look at how this steam mop can transform your approach to keeping floors spotless and sanitized. Whether you're dealing with hardwood, tile, or laminate, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is built to deliver exceptional results with minimal effort. The Shark Steam Pocket Mop boasts a sleek, upright form factor, making it easy to store and maneuver. Its vibrant purple color adds a touch of style to your cleaning routine. The mop is equipped with a soft grip handle, ensuring comfort during use, which is particularly beneficial during extended cleaning sessions. The design is user-friendly, allowing for effortless navigation around furniture and tight spaces. One of the standout features of the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is its ability to turn ordinary water into superheated steam. This steam reaches temperatures high enough to sanitize surfaces, effectively eliminating dirt, grime, and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. With a water capacity of 450 ml 15 Oz, the mop can produce a continuous stream of steam, which is ready to use in just 30 seconds. This quick heat-up time means you can start cleaning almost immediately, a significant advantage for those with busy schedules. The Shark Steam Pocket Mop is designed to work on all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, marble, tile, stone, laminate, and vinyl. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for homes with diverse flooring types. The steam mop performs exceptionally well on these surfaces, lifting dirt and grime with ease. The superheated steam not only cleans but also dries quickly, leaving floors spotless and streak-free. This quick drying time reduces the risk of slipping and allows you to walk on your floors almost immediately after cleaning. The mop comes with 2 machine-washable microfiber pads. These pads are designed to lift and lock in dirt, ensuring that debris is effectively removed from your floors. The pads are durable and can be reused multiple times, providing a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to disposable mop pads. It is important to wash the pads before first using them to remove any loose lint or fibers. They should be washed with liquid detergent, avoiding bleach and fabric softeners, and dried on a low setting or line-dried to maintain their effectiveness. The Shark Steam Pocket Mop is incredibly easy to use, thanks to several thoughtful features. The quick-release cord wrap allows for easy storage and deployment of the 18-foot power cord. This length provides ample reach for most rooms without the need to constantly switch outlets. The mop's swivel steering enhances maneuverability, making it simple to navigate around obstacles and into tight corners. The steam trigger is conveniently located on the handle, allowing you to control the amount of steam with ease. One of the key benefits of the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is its ability to clean effectively using only water. This means you can avoid the use of harsh chemicals, which is better for your health and the environment. The steam mop leaves no residue behind, ensuring that your floors are not only clean but also safe for children and pets. This chemical-free approach is particularly appealing for those with allergies or sensitivities to cleaning products. Considering its performance, versatility, and convenience, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop offers excellent value for money. The initial investment is justified by the time and effort saved in maintaining clean floors. The reusable microfiber pads and the elimination of the need for cleaning chemicals further enhance its cost-effectiveness. Additionally, the durability of the mop ensures that it will be a reliable cleaning companion for years to come. Maintaining the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is straightforward. The microfiber pads should be washed regularly to maintain their effectiveness. The mop itself requires minimal upkeep, but it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions for filling and using the water tank to prevent any potential issues. Storing the mop with the cord properly wrapped and the water tank emptied will help prolong its lifespan. Conclusion: The Shark Steam Pocket Mop Hard Floor Cleaner is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly tool that makes cleaning hard floors a breeze. Its superheated steam technology ensures a deep clean without the need for chemicals, making it a safe choice for households with children and pets. The quick heat-up time, ease of maneuverability, and versatility across different floor types add to its appeal. The inclusion of machine-washable microfiber pads offers a sustainable and cost-effective cleaning solution. Overall, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is a valuable addition to any home, providing convenience and peace of mind with every use. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, the Shark Steam Pocket Mop is designed to tackle the toughest dirt and grime, leaving your home sparkling clean. Its thoughtful design, powerful steam cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice in the realm of steam mops. Investing in the Shark Steam Pocket Mop means investing in a cleaner, healthier home environment. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.